Brought to you by JEGS.
In some cases, bigger isn't necessarily better. Take in point Holley's Sniper EFI replacement for the Autolite 1100 carburetors. If you own an early Mustang sporting an inline 6 and would like to bring it into the modern age of EFI, here's your chance. With the Sniper from Holley, you can make startups easier, improve engine idle quality, eliminate hesitations, and even increase wide open throttle power, making your classic ride a joy to drive. Our single barrel Sniper is a self-contained EFI system designed to fit the 140, 170, and 200 cubic inch inline 6 engines found in the Mustangs, Comets, Falcons, and even some Ford vans and trucks. The single 100 pound-per-hour injector can support naturally aspirated engines making up to 175 horsepower. While you probably won't be breaking any land speed records, you can, however, improve the reliability of that buzzing half dozen. We incorporated the unique bell crank design, allowing it to work with most Ford factory throttle linkages. It's the perfect replacement for that worn-out carburetor. The Sniper replacement throttle body bolts directly to the factory Ford intake spacer for a hassle-free install. Since most people, with the exception of a few purists out there, will probably ditch the antiquated Lotomatic distributor, we've incorporated an 1/8 inch MPT vacuum port along with a 5/32 hose adapter for use with the 68 and newer distributors. If you want the ultimate package, install one of our HyperSpark distributors for complete time and control capabilities. Not sure how to upgrade your fuel system for use with EFI? Well, we've got you covered. Whether you're looking for a simple external fuel pump with filters, or you want to go all out with a new fuel tank and EFI pump module, we have the parts you'll need. Of course, you still get all the benefits you'd expect from Sniper EFI. Sniper EFI includes a built-in fuel pressure regulator, full-color 3.5 inch handheld, OEM-style sensors for dependability, and a wideband Bosch O2 sensor for real-time fuel mapping. Just like its big brothers, the one-barrel Sniper replacement unit is compatible with a wide array of Holley EFI gauges and digital dashes. You even have the ability to control 2 ground inputs and 3 ground outputs. All these features in a compact package that still manages to fit under the stock air cleaner. Increase the fun factor of your cruiser with a Sniper EFI unit from Holley.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.